Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Katrina, or K-Beauty Shine here on YouTube, and in today's video I attempted to try on these press-on nails to see if they actually work. So if you want to see how I turn my nails from this to this, then keep on watching. The nails that I'll be using today is this Kiss Gel Finish nails, which I actually got on my local Target for only $5.99. Yes, girl, these are like a deal breaker. So along with the nails, you're going to be needing a nail filer along with a nail clipper. You may not need the nail clipper, well, no, let me scratch that. You will need a nail clipper if you need to clip down your nails. So this is my blank canvas that I am starting with, and I'm just going to begin by clipping down my nails a bit and then filing them. To be honest, in this video, you're going to be seeing that I'm not going to clip down my nails all that much. I just wanted to show you that if you're going to put on these press-on nails, what you would like to probably clean, which would be like your cuticles, the side of your nails where sometimes we get like that annoying like skin, I don't know, whatever. So you'll want to clip that off and just clip down your nails a little more down if you like. But like I said, in this video, you're not going to see much of a difference because these nails, I just put them on for the sake of this video, but I wasn't going to keep them on for longer than like a day or two. So this is the final finish, but like I said, your nails can be clipped down a little bit more and filed down a little bit more, but I'm not going to do that. So when you open the package of your nails, you're going to be seeing that it gives you two options. You can either glue it with the acrylic adhesive, or you can actually use these acrylic little like sticky glues that goes on your nails. And on the back of the box, it actually gives you like the 3 steps on how to do it, and they also come in all these different designs, which is so cute. But I just decided to go with the natural pinky nude basic color because I think like when you go with the more basic, it looks a little bit more realistic. So the first thing we're going to be doing is actually sizing our nails, our fake nails with our actual nails. And these nails are all numbered. They go from like 0 to 13, I believe. So basically like the lower the number, the bigger the nail is. So if the number is like 0, that's more like a bigger nail. If the number is like 13, the nail is like a little bit smaller. So just by this point, you're just going to size it with whatever size fits well on your nail. Make sure that when you try on these press-on nails and you're like sizing it, you want to make sure that it covers your nail, but it doesn't overlap your nail, because if it does overlap, it's going to look like a little bit funky. So you just want to make sure that it fits just right. So here I'm going to speed it up a bit and just size all my nails, and then we'll be right back when we're ready to put it on. Now that I have all my nails aligned, and these are all the nails that fit my nail very well, I'm going to actually be using the little sticky adhesive. I decided to go with the sticky adhesive just because, like I said, I wasn't going to put this on for more than a day or two. So if you're someone that you're just looking to wear it for a few hours or so, then I would recommend to go with the little sticky acrylic sticker, and not do the glue. But if you want to wear it for like longer, probably have it for a few more days or even a whole week, because it says that it could last up to 7 days, and I would definitely recommend you to use the adhesive glue. So the first thing that we're going to be doing is just adding the sticky onto the nail, and then you're going to peel off like a sticky that this acrylic sticker has. I don't know. I'm going to show you guys again with my 4 other nails, just because on the thumb I was a little bit like struggling a bit, so I didn't really put it all on camera. But I'm going to be showing you the whole process again with my point finger, my middle finger, my ring finger, and my pinky. But yeah, this is like pretty much all you're doing. So all right, let's go with the point finger. So like I said, you're going to take the little sticky and you're going to peel it off. And then you're going to put it on your nails, and you're going to make sure that when you put it on your nail, you're going to smooth it out, because it's like a little sticky that you need to like smooth out, and it's like a very like gel acrylic-y finish. I hope that I'm making sense. And then once you put that on and you smooth it on very well onto the nail, you're going to just rip off this little clear like tape that it has on it. And I am going to say that it is like a little bit challenging when you're trying to like clear off that little sticky sticker that it has on top, because it's such like a thin layer. So just make sure that you're patient, take your time, don't be too rough, and just like, you know, be like a little light-handed when you do this. But I am going to say that's like the most frustrating part, is just taking out that little clear sticky. But once you have it off, you're going to see, it's like a little thin layer. You're just going to take the nail your fake nail, and you're going to place it on top of this little sticky, and then you're going to press on your nails for about 3 to 5 seconds, even 10 seconds, and just press on it very hard so that it sticks. And then that is it. It's a quick bang 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 3-step thing. Okay, so we're going to repeat the same steps on the other 3 nails. So we are down to the last nail, which is our pinky here, and repeating the same step again, just putting on the little clear gel adhesive sticker on it, removing that little thin layer that it has very carefully once you smooth everything out. Then we're going to just place our nail, fake nail on it, press on it for about 5 to 10 seconds, really hard. Make sure you have like a firm, very firm like hold on it so that it sticks very well onto the sticker. And that is it. Now to make it look even more realistic, we're going to just file it down just a bit. Now this length, I forgot to mention in the beginning, I got them short, but you can get the length a little bit longer. But I did get them short just because I feel like it looks a little bit more realistic. And once you file it down like this and give it like your own little natural shape to it, it looks so much better. Like watch when I show you guys the look of it. Look at how shiny and pretty they look. So I'm going to do my other hand, off camera, and then I'll be right back when we are all done. This is our final results, and honestly, I'm so happy. Like, they look so freaking pretty and like semi-real. I think like, yeah, like you can definitely fool someone into thinking that you went to go get a manicure somewhere extra expensive and it was only $6. So try this out for yourself, especially since it's prom season. And let's say if you don't want to spend too much money getting your nails done because you ain't about that acrylic life or anything like that, go and get this either for a wedding, baby shower, just an event. And yeah, I hope that this video was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you enjoyed watching. Hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.